All right, my other screen recorder wasn't working, so we're going to try this one and hope that it works. Okay, so for 5 and 6, the first thing you want to do is figure out if it's a permutation or a combination. And number 5, if he was just going to 3 countries and there were 7 to choose from, that would be a combination. But because the one trip is 1 week long, another is 2 days long, another is 2 weeks, since they're all different lengths of time, that means the order does matter, which makes it a permutation. So that's how we knew that this one was going to be a permutation. Now, as far as the permutation part of it is, there are 7 countries that are their total. They're going to choose 3 of them. So we're going to say 7 permutate 3. And so using the permutation formula, we know it's 7 factorial, which is that number right there, over 3 factorial, which is that number right there. That's combination. For permutation, it's just n minus r. So we'll take 7 minus 3, which is 4. So it's 7 factorial over 4 factorial. So that is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And the bottom is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So, all of this is going to cancel out. So really, you're left with 7 times 6 times 5. So 42 times 5 is going to give us that 210 possible permutations. So that's how you're going to do 5. 6, if you have 110 people at a meeting and everyone shakes hands with everyone else, it doesn't matter what order you shake hands in. It's just a matter of everybody shakes hands with everybody else. So because the order does not matter, that's how I knew that one was going to be a combination. And so then, again, you've got 110 people, and when you shake hands, it's always 2 at a time. So you can only shake hands with one other person at a time, so it's 110, and then choose 2. So this is where the combination formula comes in. So you have 110 factorial over 2 factorial. And then this part is going to be the n minus r factorial. So that's where you're going to get our 108 factorial. Now, I really wouldn't recommend working this one out by hand. You certainly could. But, like I said, I wouldn't worry about all that part. I would just kind of go through and just use either a calculator, or combinations are actually pretty easy. I mean, you can even go to just like Google it. So you could bring up just Google, and you could say, all right, well, what is 110 choose 2? And Google, I'm pretty sure has a calculator. Yeah, so Google has a calculator that will do it for you. So that's where this 5,995 comes from. So back here, that's where we got 5,995 different combinations. Let me know if that makes sense. If it doesn't, I can certainly record another video or work some other problems for you if you'd rather. So hope this helped.